Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular client management platform. Specifically, I'm going to answer the question, can clients book through HoneyBook? So, if you're wondering whether or not HoneyBook is right for you, or if you're already using HoneyBook and you're looking for more information on how to use it, then this video is for you. Before I get into the nitty-gritty of HoneyBook, let me give you a quick overview of what it is. HoneyBook is a web-based platform that helps you manage your clients and projects. It has a variety of features, including a client database, a project management tool, a time tracking tool, an invoicing tool, a payment processing tool. HoneyBook is a great tool for freelancers, small businesses, and creative professionals. It can help you stay organized, save time, and get paid faster. Now, let's get to the question at hand. Can clients book through HoneyBook? The answer is yes. Clients can book through HoneyBook in two ways. By using your HoneyBook website. When you create a HoneyBook website, you can add a Book Now button to it. This button will take clients to a booking page where they can select the services they want and book an appointment. By using your HoneyBook calendar, you can also allow clients to book appointments directly on your HoneyBook calendar. To do this, you'll need to share your calendar link with your clients. Once a client has booked an appointment through HoneyBook, you'll be notified via email. You can then add the appointment to your own calendar. Benefits of allowing clients to book through HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to allowing clients to book through HoneyBook. These benefits include, it's convenient for your clients. Clients can book appointments at any time, from anywhere in the world. It helps you stay organized. HoneyBook automatically adds appointments to your calendar, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of everything yourself. It helps you get paid faster. HoneyBook can automatically send invoices to your clients, which makes it easier to get paid. How to set up HoneyBook for client bookings. If you're interested in allowing clients to book through HoneyBook, here are the steps you need to take. Create a HoneyBook account. Create a HoneyBook website. Add a Book Now button to your website. Share your HoneyBook calendar link with your clients. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to start booking clients through HoneyBook. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using HoneyBook to book clients. Make sure your HoneyBook website is up-to-date and accurate. Include clear instructions on your booking page about what to expect after booking an appointment. Follow up with clients after they book an appointment to confirm the details and answer any questions they may have. HoneyBook is a great tool for allowing clients to book appointments. It's convenient, easy to use, and helps you stay organized and get paid faster. If you're looking for a way to make your life easier, I highly recommend giving HoneyBook a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy booking.